Martin.
At ang mananalo ngayong araw na ito, mag-uwi ng 20,000 pesos. At may chance i-beat si Francis sa Lunes. Doon ang weekly finals.
Simulan na natin ang weekly finals ng Lola's Playlist Beat the Champion. Eto na to.
Ready na kayo, barangay?
Ready!
Weekly finals number 1, taga Binangonan, Rizal. Kakantayin niya ang 1954 song ng American actress. Actor ba o actress? Singer. Actor. And film producer, na si Dean Martin. Here's 12-year-old Ian or John Lloyd Pernicia para sa Sway.
Suway.
So, lil. Thank you, John Lloyd.
Pinanganak ako niyan eh.
Sway?
Suwe.
1954?
Suwe.
Suwe yun!
Suwe. Pinanganak ako Suwe.
Yung una pa,
Suwe.
Suwe pala. Akala ko, 1954.
Di naman, 52. Parang si Maro.
Si Vic, ano nga?
Okay, ito. Weekly
1964.
Ito yung susunod naman. Ang kakatahin niya. Ilan ba maglalaban, Alan?
Labing apat.
Hindi
Di ba? Tatlo.
Nabanggit ni Tito yung 1954. Ito, 1961 hit ng American pop singer na si Connie.
Uy, si Connie!
Reyes?
Connie, hindi.
Connie Reyes.
Si Connie at si Francis, pinagsama.
Direk Connie!
Dalawang host ng Eat Bulaga. Okay, si Connie Francis.
From Tandangsora, Quezon City, narito ang 8-year-old na si Janine May Puto para sa kantang Kutsinta.
Ay,
Where the boys are!
Where the boys are.
To arms to hold me tenderly. street in town, and I know it's looking there for me. In the crowd of a million people, I find my Valentine. And then I climb to the highest steeple and tell the world he's mine. Till he holds me, I'll wait impatiently where the boys are, where the boys are, where the boys are. Someone waits for me. Till he holds me, I'll wait impatiently where the boys are, where the boys are, where the boys are. Someone waits for me.
Thank you, Janine. Si Janine.
Paano yung top hits natin dyan, Joe?
Ano daw?
Paano yung top hits natin dyan? Where the boys are.
We are always there. mga bading. Natawa to.
Narito ang ating weekly finalist, number 3. 1977 song ng American singer, author, and actress na si Debbie Boone.
Oh, Debbie.
From... Lalo, close kayo. From,
Natawa sila, oh.
from Silang Cavite. Here's 10-year-old Clarice Guipinco para sa You Light Up My Life.
So many nights I'd sit by my window, waiting for someone to sing me his song. So many dreams I've kept deep inside me, alone in the dawn. But now you've come along, and you light up my life. You give me hope to carry on. You light up my days and fill my nights with song. And you light up my life. You give me hope to carry on. You light up my days and fill my nights with song. It can't be wrong when it feels so right, 'cause you light up my life.
Thank you, Clarice.
Okay, mamaya ay malalaman natin kung
Thank
sino
you
ang
rin sa
dalawang
ating mga backup dancers.
Thank you.
Interpretative. Interpretative backup